Yeah, welcome back. This is the eighth video of the series Learning Excel from Scratch to Pro. Now, let's see how to use Vlookup. Vlookup is used also just like Vlookup to look up value from a table, especially when the table is large. Instead of scrolling through the table looking for the value, you can use formula Vlookup to fetch the data you are looking for. For example, let's say in this case where we have items, you can say item 1. This could be a real item that you are selling. Item 1, item 2, as many as you have. Let's say as many items as you have in the standard worksheet. You have listed them, and the idea of this one is maybe the price, the unit price of each item depends on the quantity purchased by your customer. Well, we can see a unit price of item 1 is first start from 100 and it could drop down to 50 if the person purchased up to 26. So the unit price for each of the 26 purchase will be 50 naira. Now imagine how you memorize this unit price for different quantity. So HLOOKUP will come into play. All you need to do is, this is your standard table. This is your standard table. But you want to create something outside for you to make it easy for you. Maybe you put item. Maybe the customer wants to buy item 2. Quantity. Maybe the customer wants to buy 10 of item 2. I want to know the unit price if the person is buying 10. So that is where we use HLOOKUP. So all you need to do is select the whole range, apply, create from selection as we have already learned. Click OK. Yes, replace. Now we now want to find our unit price if the person is buying 10. So let's start equal to HLOOKUP. What am I looking? I'm looking for item 2, comma. In this table range, use your Control Shift, arrow right, then arrow down. You can scroll back if you like. Okay. What's the quantity the person is buying? What's the quantity? Buying 10. But add +1 to avoid error. Now the next is false, that is return exact match. False. Close this. Let's see. Okay, it says okay, if the person is buying item 2 and is buying 10 quantity of item 2, unit price will be 240 for one. Let's see. You can see. Okay, let's change the value. Let's say 5. Is buying 5. 245. Let's see. You can see 245. Let's say it's buying up to 20. So all you need to do is to just change your quantity if your formula is already there. Okay, unit price for 20 each will cost 190. Let's go and find out 20 unit item 2, 20. You can see. Now let's change the item to other item. Let's say item 3, for example. Buying 20 of item 3, unit price 160. Let's go and see. Item 3, 20, 165. You see. So look at the formula again. HLOOKUP. The value you are looking for, which is in G8, and the range of the table starting from the heading down to the last record. The quantity the person is buying, but add 1. If you do not add 1, if the person is buying 1, look at what will happen. Let's see if it's correct. Item 3, 1. Of course, it's correct here. Let's change to other items and see. Let's say item 1. Okay, still correct. Oh, I've not removed the 1. Let's remove the 1 plus 1. Do you see? Okay, let's say the person is buying item 3 instead. You can see generating error. Person, okay, let's say is buying item 2. You can see it's generating not something above the cell. It's going above the quantity. That is why when the person is buying one, if you do not include this +1 to give error. So let's add our +1 again. So item 2 is buying one is 250. I hope this is informative. See you in the next class.